Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Phil Sunkel. I'm a realtor here in Vero Beach, Florida with MacWilliam Real Estate. Today we're going to take a quick drive around the 55 plus community of Harmony Reserve. It's an excellent active community. They've got a beautiful clubhouse right behind me here. It's got a pool, tons of activities, tons of things to do. If you're looking for a new home in Vero Beach, give me a call today. But let's take a look at this neighborhood real quick. Joining me on this quick drive around Harmony Reserve. It's an excellent neighborhood. If you're thinking of moving to Vero Beach, give me a call. I'd love to help you on your search. My number's right below right here. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. I look forward to seeing you here in Vero.